It is now.
It's recorded. Right, great. So, question 1 from 14 summer 2015. A geometric progression has first term 3. Don't put stuff down. And second term -6. State the value of the common ratio. Right, so what we know is that the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write down what we've actually been told. So the GP, first term is 3, second term of a geometric progression is A times R, because that's what a geometric progression is all about. So A times R is -6. So when it says state the value of the common ratio, if we do AR divided by A, that gives us R, doesn't it? Because the A would cancel out. So we are doing -6 divided by 3, so we get -2. And it was just 1/2, and basically we just needed to write down -2 as your answer to that. Part 2, find the value of the 11th term. So we know if this is a geometric progression we're talking about, the 11th term, U11, is AR to the power of 10. It's AR to the n-1, remember? So we are going to do A times R to the power of 10. Remember the brackets are really important. Remember that because this is a negative number to an even power, the answer is going to be positive. And 2 to the 10, I can't remember what this is. Oh, it's 3072 it comes out, doesn't it? That's it. Yeah. So we get 3072 as our answer. The brackets are really important. You must remember. And remember that the thing, we've had this before with calculators, the way that the Casio FX85 GT Plus or similar models handles the powers is if you simply type -2 to the 10 into your calculator will treat that as the negative of 2 to the 10. It won't treat it as -2 to the power of 10. Does that make sense? So when you type -2 to the power of 10, your calculator gives you -1024, not 1024, that would be -2 to the 10. So be really careful how you're using your calculator and doing this. Right, part 3 said find the sum of the first 20 terms. Again, it's just a formula in the formula booklet. So the sum of the first 20 terms is A times 1 minus R. It's A times 1 minus R to the n, so 1 minus R to 20 over 1 minus R. And again, the brackets are really important as we do this. This is A, 3, times 1 minus -2 to the 20 over 1 minus 2. Now if we think about what is happening with the numbers in here, we've got this bottom line is going to be positive, isn't it? In fact, this bottom line is 3 minus -2, so that's 3. So it's 1 minus -2, which is 3. We've got 3 on the top. If you think about what's actually happening, what you are working out is 1 minus -20 to the 20. Now -2 to the 20.
It's going to be a 2.
Yeah, that's going to be 2. -2 to the 20 is positive. 1 minus this positive number is going to give us a negative answer. And the negative answer, I can't remember what it was.
1,048,570.
Is that what you just said?
Yeah.
Okay. If you did this and you got your signs all mixed up, then you ended up with a positive answer, and it was very close to that. It was something like 1048577.
Yeah.
And that was the positive answer. But that was wrong. The answer is that because of the negative sign. Brackets, all about making sure you're consistent with brackets. And this should not be a problem for us, should it? Because your calculator will handle that. If you type that in with the fractions button, with it on the right mode, type in exactly what you've written there, which is exactly what was in the formula booklet, it will give you exactly that answer. So this shouldn't be a difficult thing. You shouldn't get problems now with the missed brackets and the minus sign. Great. At this point I say, that's maths, and then you stop it.